jalan-jalan ke Melasti Beach. Ini bos kita, Pierre. Ini model kita. And this Eva model.
We're going to Melasti Beach.
And
then surfing.
surfing.
Yeah. Maybe tonight. I know you.
I know you. Oke. Hai bos.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Baik.
Baik.
Mantap.
Nonton. Maxim, apa kabar?
Bagus, bro.
Bagus. Halo.
So
Hello.
it's Melasti Beach and it's surrounded by cliffs
So,
and it's limestone. And
No.
it's super beautiful. You should be here.
Yeah, you should be here, and this our team shall together. This Zoe. Where you from, Zoe? I know you. Where you from, Zoe? France. Zoe from Pierre, eh?
Yeah,
The
I'm
boss.
No,
No,
the boss, no.
no, I'm boss now.
You are
Eh?
the boss.
Was from maybe
And
tonight
this,
hotel.
yeah.
The
And
owner.
I know you. This is my model.
know you.
This is my model
Like
from
that.
Hawaii.
From Hawaii.
Hawaii model.
Oahu.
Oahu. Jadi hari ini perjalanan kita di Melasti Beach masih berlanjut. Hai Alana, I make a video Alana. This Maxim.